Hi everyone, so this is the S&P 500 and I've drawn it all the way back for the last decade. Okay, and in yellow you can see where I've marked down periods. And there's been a few, well, I say down periods, significant ones, the more significant ones, the ones which, really would hurt. As we look at things right at the moment, we've got this massive uptrend, certainly since March 21st lows. When we look at the MACD, which is a momentum-based indicator, you can see that suggesting it's going to start easing back up. It's at a relatively low level. The kinds of levels it's been at for the last 3 years and so on, and when it's been at these levels before in the past, you can see rallies have continued. The only note of caution I would strike to all of that is twofold. One is the momentum indicator tends not to just simply smoothly go up. It does tend to, as you can see here, quiver a little bit, and that often coincides with the down move. And the second note of caution is this. We would not be surprised if, looking at this, there is a possible move downwards. Now, I'm not saying it's certain. I'd probably say 60% we're going to continue going up, 40% we might fall. Okay, but I wanted to give that perspective. That does not mean I wait out of the market. Equally, it does not mean that I say to myself, well, 60% is good enough for me, let's just mortgage the house. What it means is this. The kinds of companies I'm going to be looking to invest in are going to have to be the type which, if and when this market falls, will not fall as far and will rebound quicker. Okay? In other words, good quality companies based on, and the factors I tend to look at, valuation growth, dividend yields, momentum, cash flow as measured by cash return on capital invested, consistency of returns as measured by the Sortino, the volatility of the performance of the company, I want that to be as less possible, and the ability to outperform the market as measured by alpha. If they're companies I've not heard of, then I look at the Altman index number. That number tells me the working capital and the cash flow and capital at disposal of the company, retained earnings and so on. Those are all factors which are important to me as well. Okay, so that's an overview of where I see things standing at the moment. This is taken from my free Telegram channel. If you like what you've heard, then there'll be a link for the Telegram channel. Do follow me on Telegram and you'll get this kind of stuff on your on an app on your phone. Okay, simple as that. Thank you.